Stopped again at Nason Family Farms, just outside of Prospect Village in Maine. I love this. It's a family farm stand. Veggies. Here's all their offerings, and look right behind you. You can see what you're eating. Okay, and I've never heard of this. Dump and delicata squash, $1 a pound. Acorn squash. Don't know what that is either. And then there's a look at the squash offerings. Let's go inside. I just love this. Self-service. Please pay inside. And another sign to remind you, in case you forgot. Nice view of the garden right behind, huh? Let's look to the right. And there's more out there. We are in the last week of October 2019, and we still have things growing. If you look up on the hill, it looks like they keep bees and make their own honey, which is just really cool, I think. They've got a sign with their contact information here. Prospect, Maine. Just right down from the corner of, oh crap, I forgot what the highway is now. You're gonna have to look it up, you all, sorry. Here's just some shots of what they've got here. Love me some hot peppers. I put these on everything. Some garlic. Spaghetti squash. I've actually had this many times to make my spaghetti when I'm trying to eat healthy. Losing some fat and clean up the pipes a little bit. Let's see what's inside. Looky there. That's fresh eating. So cool. Cabbage and kale. All bagged up for you. Oh, and leeks. It looks like we're all gone. The leeks. Leaked. Ha ha. Hey, looky. They even got free weeds if you want them. And a very cool truck in the background. Poor thing's falling apart, but it's neat looking. So that's it. Nason Family Farms. Outside of Prospect Village. Check it out.